Hi, it's Cindy with the Children's Science Explorium. I'm going to do a science experiment called lava lamps. You can do this at home using household ingredients. All right, so I like to start by adding a little water to the bottle. You put in just enough, couple tablespoons. It really doesn't matter how much you use, as long as it's not halfway full, just a little bit. Then we're going to use vegetable oil to fill up the rest of it. This is a neat part where you can see the water and the oil don't want to mix. You have two different densities. So there's a little bit of science in there for you. Water is heavier than oil. Oil floats to the top. All right, now I want to make it a lava lamp, so I'm going to add red food coloring. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. Watch it sink and mix with the water, because food coloring usually is mixed with water already. Then the final step, to make it move and churn just like lava does in a lamp, you can use Alka-Seltzer. And it goes a long way. So you don't have to use the whole tablet, but you can. I'll use half. And when it touches the water, it reacts, creating carbon dioxide bubbles, and it's going to start churning and mixing the water, and watch. Lava!